Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are talking about the upcoming 2025 Hero Xpulse 200, the latest version of India's most affordable adventure bike. With its off-road capabilities, rugged design, and reliable performance, the Xpulse 200 has gained a huge following. Let's see what Hero MotoCorp has in store for 2025. Stronger and more aggressive design. The 2025 Xpulse 200 is expected to get a more muscular fuel tank, updated LED headlamp with better illumination, and new color schemes with bold graphics. The raised front fender, high ground clearance, and tall windscreen will remain, ensuring the bike retains its adventure-ready look. Hero may also introduce better quality body panels for improved durability on rough terrains. Refined 200 cubic centimeters engine with more power. Hero is likely to refine the 199.6 cubic centimeters, oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine, pushing power output to around 20.5 PS and 18.5 Newton-meters of torque. The fuel injection system will be fine-tuned for smoother throttle response, while the 5-speed gearbox may receive minor upgrades for better gear shifts. Expect improved heat management, making it more comfortable for long rides and city commutes. Better suspension and off-road capability. The 2025 Xpulse 200 will continue to feature long-travel telescopic front forks and a preload adjustable monoshock. However, Hero may increase suspension travel to improve ride comfort and enhance off-road capability. The bike will retain its 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoke wheels with dual-purpose tires, ensuring excellent grip on dirt trails and highways. New features and improved technology. Hero could upgrade the fully digital instrument cluster, offering Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and real-time ride stats. Additional features like ride modes, road and off-road, a USB charging port, and switchable ABS are expected, making it a more advanced adventure bike. The seat comfort and ergonomics may also see minor refinements for better long-distance touring. Expected price and launch. With all these upgrades, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is expected to be priced around 1.50 Indian rupees lakh to 1.65 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Hero MotoCorp is likely to launch it in mid-2025, positioning it against rivals like the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, KTM 250 Adventure, and Suzuki V-Strom SX. Would you take the new Xpulse 200 on your next off-road adventure? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more motorcycle news and updates. Stay tuned.